Perry, what kind of plane is that? Marsden, let me see it.
That is an RC Tomahawk missile from PTI Kyle on Colts 3D.
Does it have a warhead?
It does not.
Okay.
Guess I don't want to get in trouble with it.
I don't want the neighbors thinking there's a cruise missile flying around with that. You know, it's inbound from Iran. All right.
No,
all right.
This one.
Good luck.
Yeah.
It's flying. It is sliding through the turns.
Here comes Tom.
Ah! Oh, cool. Oh, I think I got it. That is so cool. Hey Perry, next stop, Strait of Hormuz.
Now this is half throttle.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice.
That's crazy. It flies.
Awesome, it flies great.
Hey, is it considered a warbird if I bring it to the warbird fly-in?
I don't see why not. Like I said, next stop, Strait of Hormuz. Make it autonomous and cut her loose. Make it solar powered and cut it loose. CENTCOM would be, it's CENTCOM approved.
Will it survive? It slides on the grass. Perfect. Didn't hurt nothing.
No damage?
Didn't hurt nothing.
Awesome.
That's awesome. Still intact.
Awesome.
Boy, I gave it a hard chuck to it. It was like sinking, but then...
Was that full power on takeoff?
Yeah. I mean,
Wow, it like barely made it. What's all,
I think I need to move some weight out of it because it
Well-
was just a little nose heavy.
awesome.
That's okay. I'll just, you know, give it time. That was so cool.